Hello, I am Dr. Manilal Valliate. I am Director of Veterinary Affairs for PETA, and I am also helping Animal Rahat with this program in Maharashtra. I am grateful to Vishwa Foundation for choosing Animal Rahat for this year's prestigious Vishwa Award. Animal Rahat is an ambitious program that brings relief to thousands of bullocks, donkeys and other animals forced to haul heavy loads and plow fields in the burning heat. Animal Rahat operates in some of the neediest areas in Maharashtra, where the animals' owners are often so poor that all they may have to eat in a day is a chapati and an onion. They often cannot afford to feed their animals or give them veterinary care. If their animals become ill or injured, as they often do, giving them even one day of rest would mean starving their families. As you will see, that leads to people to use painful devices to keep sick and injured animals on the move. Animal Rahat empowers animal owners to use proper animal care in order to prevent injuries and illness and stop abusive practices. The people they help then share what they have learned with their neighbors and families, leading to better lives for tens of thousands of animals used for work. Animal Rahat's veterinarians, assistants and community engagement staffers serve more than 52 areas and are on call 24/7 to help animals like this foal named Chetak, who have abandoned on the street alone and terrified next to his dying mother. The team scooped up the orphaned foal and brought him here to our sanctuary where he is safe and getting plenty of love. They also rescued this donkey named Nicole, who was being attacked by dogs. Nicole is recovering nicely and has become friends with Dolly, another one of the many donkeys we have saved. I'm sure you have heard of bull racing. These are races in which the animals are often beaten bloody with nail-studded sticks. We have to act swiftly and keep our ears pricked. For example, when we learned that a secret bull race was planned in Nishilkaranji area, Animal Rahat officials immediately met with bullock owners there, explaining that the races are cruel and illegal. Rahat staffers showed up at the planned race and in a monumental turn of events, not only stopped the race, but convinced its organizers to confirm in writing that they will never allow bullock races to take place in Nishilkaranji near Sangli or participate in any other cruel race. The former racers also agreed to influence other bullock owners to abstain from racing and to immediately inform the police and Animal Rahat if they learn of future races being planned. I am pleased to tell you that Animal Rahat, in association with PETA, has also stopped 42 bull races in just the last year. We do a lot of outreach as we are determined to create the climate for change. For instance, we organized a children's art competition for the villages around Ishalkaranji, inviting kids to draw portraits of their family's bullocks. With nearly 900 students participating and approximately 4,000 villagers attending, the event was a huge success. This gave Animal Rahat the perfect platform to sensitize school teachers, panchayat members and bullock owners on animal welfare issues and to help the children and their parents develop a deeper bond with the bull. Another unique way Animal Rahat is helping animals used for work is through Animal Rahat's tractor project. During sugarcane season, bullocks like Raushya and Haushya are forced to pull up to 3-ton loads of sugarcane on imbalanced carts. The bullocks are often whipped, beaten, fed poor diets and denied sufficient drinking water, shade from the blazing sun or rest. This grueling work leads to bullocks to develop arthritis, severe abscesses and wounds on their necks. This week, Lokmangal factory in Solapur signed an agreement with Animal Rahat. That means that within 3 years, this huge, well-known sugar factory will be divested of all the bullock carts. Tractors will replace them and the tractors do not suffer from lameness, yoke gall, beatings, torture devices and absorption. Animal Rahat has facilitated this impressive, humane initiative through personal on-the-spot influence. Last year, there were 1,700 bullock carts, which means 3,400 bullocks in this factory. This year, There are 900 bullock carts after replacing 72 with mini tractors because of Animal Rahat's influence. This now brings to 6 the number of factories who are on the right track to eliminate the horrors of bullock use for cane cartage. Animal Rahat will continue its work to relieve the bulls by encouraging the use of tractors. Thank you for your time. Namaskar.